few minutes ago, I looked on my front porch, and there's a box sitting there waiting on me. Well, I hurried up and cut the tape so I can see what's in it, but I haven't looked yet. So you'll get to see it when I do. I have no idea what it is or where it came from. Well, it came from Amazon, but I don't know. I didn't order anything. Okay, here we go. I hope you can see that. Let me check and see. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see inside the box. Okay, I'll take it out. Take everything out. There's the gift card thing inside. I've got this over here. Okay, this is not working. I have to move it a little bit. Alright, that should work. Let's see who sent me something. It was ordered on February 10th. All it says is, "Hi Anita, Happy Valentine's Day." Hope you can see that. That's all it says. It doesn't say who it's from. I don't have a scanner, so I can't look it up. That's all right off the bat. It was yarn. Really good yarn. Oh, wow. 4 skeins of yarn. Nice yarn. Lion brand is a really good brand. Mug cakes. I'm going to have some fun with that. If Ladybug don't get it first, I'll have to hide them from her. And, well, let's see, what is this? Oh, yes, yes. Crochet needles, crochet hooks they call them. Ooh. Yeah, I had this on my Amazon wish list. Now I can start crocheting again. Oh, wow. Isn't that fantastic? Thank you, whoever sent it to me. It doesn't say who. But I want to say thank you anyway. There's some people who like to stay anonymous. Oh, I wonder if I can go make a cake right now. No, I've already had my lunch. I better wait. Thank you very, very, very much. See what this feels like. Oh, my scissors. There you go. You have to excuse the mess on the table. I'm working on a project for my kitchen. Ooh, that feels so soft. It's nice. I wonder what I'm going to make out of it. There's a scarf pattern on there. Maybe I'll make what's on there. It's machine washable and dryable. Yep, I think I'll make that scarf. Just so I can practice. It can always be taken back apart and used for something else. I'm so happy with these. I can hardly wait to get started. But I've got a quilt on the machine that needs to be worked on today. And I've been trying to clean up my kitchen. So this will have to wait a little while. And again, whoever sent it to me, thank you very much.